Assalamualaikum, hello, hi, and welcome to Cooking is Fun with Firdaus, guys. And I'm back with another recipe for iftar, and this time this is going to be very simple. It's bread baked pinwheels. Using milk bread, we are going to make this recipe. It's very delicious and easy to make, so definitely you have to give this a try. I'm using milk bread. Just slice off the edges, and once you slice it off, sprinkle some water. If you have the moist bread, it's easy for you to roll. So once you roll this, set this aside for 2-3 minutes. Syrup, just cornstarch 1 teaspoon, water 1 teaspoon, and make it into a fine paste. Now place the breads as shown in this video by sealing off the edges on top of the other and just roll it out. Once you roll it out, using the same cornstarch which we made just now, just seal off the edges because it will keep the breads intact when you're rolling it, and also when you're baking it, they will not split apart. So this is very important part. We need to seal the edges with the cornstarch. Now placing a cling wrap, I'm just flipping it over so that the cornstarch thing is gone below, the layer is gone below, and I have the dry layer above. I'll just roll it one more time so that they are nicely tucked in together, and then I'm just going to do my filling. Here I'm using chili mayonnaise to spread across the bread, and then I'll be spreading some mozzarella cheese over it, along with some shredded chicken which is already cooked, and shredded carrot, and some boiled and smashed corn and peas. You can use any filling of your choice. Now I'm going to roll this just the way we do for the Swiss roll. We are going to roll it out holding in your cling wrap. You just need to roll the bread alone, and then when you reach the edge, you just seal the edge with the cornstarch paste which you have, and try to seal off the bread completely and cling wrap it well so that it goes in the freezer for 1 hour. Minimum 1 hour, maximum 2-3 hours. And you can also store this in the freezer for like about a week, and then you can bake it as well. So it's a good freezer storing recipe as well. So now here I have my mold which is already greased with butter, and I have a parchment paper over it which is greased with butter again. And now I'm going to cut my pinwheels, and then I'm going to place it over the baking mold. Once I do this, I'm going to just give a slight brush onto my pinwheels with butter. You can also give egg wash, but I want to give a butter wash because I want a crispy one. So this is going to go in the preheated oven for 180 degrees Celsius, 15 minutes, or until they are crispy and brown in color. Now this is ready to be served for iftar to my family. What's special for your family today? Do let me know in the comment section below. Please do subscribe, and if you like this video, give a like, and please do stay at home, stay safe, save lives. Until then, take care. We'll be back with another recipe soon. Allah Hafiz.